Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add color chain on two colors on your emo. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your emo. We will go up here on this is picture. We will click and we come here to this is window like you say. Then we click here on settings and we come here on settings window like you say, and we click here on notifications. Then we come here on notifications window here like you say. Then we click here on calls and we come here to calls window like you say. We click here on color chain. We will click, and in this is window you can choose your color chain here. In this is window there is a lot of music you can add, and you when you will click you will add it in your finish. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next video.